All right, I want to go back, spend a couple days reviewing some of the factoring we did in chapter 5, correct? So let's go back. Let's do a few of these. Actually, so let's start with this one. X squared plus 6x plus 8. So we're looking here, our factors at h. 2 and 4 add up to be 6. So we can either rewrite it in 4 terms and then split it up, but we have no lead coefficient. So all we have to do is x plus 2, x plus 4. If you can't remember that and you do rewrite it, that's okay. It's not going to be wrong. Cut it in half. These two, which is 6x. Both of these have x in common, x plus 2. Both of these have 4 in common, each is x plus 2. So we have one that's x plus 4, one that's x plus 2. So it's not any different as far as your answer. It's just we took a couple extra steps. If you need to take the extra steps, that's fine. Okay, this one, factors of 6, let's subtract to be 5. 6 minus 1 is positive 5. So x 6, 1 plus minus. This one looks almost identical, doesn't it? The only difference is this sign right here. This one's probably the easiest one to mix up because if you have 1 and 6, 2 and 3, T here is what does it say? It says add to be 5. So it can be this here. That's the one that's the easiest to confuse. So, and you got that one. It can be beneficial to write them all out and make sure you look and see what does that sign for you to do. Okay. All right. X squared minus 16. We only have 2 terms. But what is what's the answer we get when we subtract called? The answer when we subtract is the difference, square, difference of squares. X and 4, one of them is plus, one of them is minus. Let's say we have 4x squared minus 25. We have a square, and we have a difference. The difference of squares. What's the square root of 4x squared? 2x square root of 25. 5 and 5, one of them plus, one of them minus. We could have switched the order with the plus and the minus. That would not have been a problem at all. Okay, so let's take one where we got a lead coefficient now. So 3 terms, but now we have a lead coefficient. So if we have a lead coefficient, what's the first thing we need to do? Multiply our first and last terms. In this case, it's 6. Factors of 6 that add up to be 7. 1 and 6. So we rewrite 7x as 1x plus 6x. 1 plus 6 is 7. Now we have 4 terms. Cut it in half. What's common in the first 2? Oh, just x, so I have to include the 1. So we have 3x plus 1. What's common here? 2. 3x plus 1. These are the same. That means we've done it correctly. 3x plus 2. We get 3x plus 1. Okay. So I'm going to give you a few of those to work on today. On 223, I'm going to do the mixed review. And like I said, mainly the purpose of this is just so we can refresh. It's been a week and a half. Your brain don't remember how to do this. So page 223, the mixed review.